say MPP amanyoko yekua emu yeden emu draw ye constitution ayede yedu en ekokoba say ekuo ba bi bibi koso na say amanyoko no fi say hu behia se ye beton sa afre nipa na as say on Asempa FM nipa no eba be chirichirim. This is not the first time, and who join kuo so dia you must be prepared say bibi bi e be firima ba bi ekuo no beton sa afre obia no as I say den wokọ na wokọ kire wadwe Asempa FM alleg tape na eba abonten ono ankasa de krata aba abonten saying say yes oni ye wura kwaku skirt yen centuroni atwetwe nkomo on deny the fact say oni no nya den antwetwe nkomo but enkomo twetwe ani mu no ohun say tape na aba beto amansa dwaso asese centrofo mo to any Ghana fo nyina eto no ohun say the tape has been doctored and some ne bi ha ono kai say me can say but sansem ne nyeden any tape no
but no one yan to musa initially we many need nkomo will show you so later subsequently na the letter bar out and son or did the issue of doctrine any other
police station the okwa na otwere wano asem ase no kura wo so timi sanse no se okoko tenase ni so hu se ntwetwamu na aba no bibi techima e bi at the time na woni ni di nkomo wo fie a odi ton mu se eye mene no na ontie yan kai nsem bia because read the so kasa and this all we are osan nya mire tie se me kan se e no hu se me ni pasuma si kasa no me kan we ba we dia ni tape no e ya de a e free no ho na eba because me no tie di nkomoi metuma ka cho se ye pon a ne obi sa me nyina me da me ma bronya de me kaya ka kiro ene ne maka no wa ha ne me ka cha we say me ni ho recordings ba me kaya ye den aka kiro ebi onu so atire onu so kwatena ase ohun sai mene abrantie obi di nkomoi me kan we but odi we ye den e kan ho eno no kire se nena nkasa ye kan ho asem no if the person no ababonten ababeka se tape no kura ababonten no questionable issues bi wo ho asese ne ye hwe ne ye kan ne ye de nsem bi asese ma enye me ho na efiri enye ne me kan ye na ya ebe hia say disciplinary committee no anasem panfo betena se in this regard nipa no record ye no must be present at the disciplinary committee se party ni twa no fi say o party beto nsa afọ say o mo frɛ no because ono agi atum say tape no menene ne kasa aye ena nipa ni challenge tape no say what challenge no wa odi tape no ba ye no so we image aye questionable say wa ma Ameka said this is the original tape and now I insist say a tape na ankasa and you now say nipa kron so radio no so a wote a we interview nkrofo ne e kira bie no obi frɛ wo frɛ obi sa onkasa enti sisi am no kasa
but say interview na live radio interview
oh man me feel say live that is what
wote e de nya no
oh well tio so ofrɛ wote a live interview because when you a year the question to Kurumbabi. But
who fan confirm in sa who fa kase no ne din komo
when the particular tape about bontene dear a live interview. Mate say almost more different tape near if uno be what and say what's a mere da why are you hiding the other tapes? Me issue no say no wo ha adentro mo hide en fa meto no akwa yi we di aba emre ben en no kan first one emre ben en no kan second one emre ben no kan third one a wodi sie na mfa ma bonten en ma public na exam
it would officer was say committee na eton safre no
me no ka say so tape we wan say me in particular no me hunya hia say me boda on this tape issue.
No, say party net to one am. Yeah, but still party say man wo fan kasa e ma party no officially bio in official capacity.
Yeah, oh send a decision from the
steering committee
yes. Or be respected the decision from the steering committee. A decision from I say Adiabachi 24/7. Na ada papers bi as a papers no kra no o nyamra the man na omo de chichiri kokko kra the man say gi people we chichiri kokko a on nyam fan chichiri kokko no say o people we de o de ton kokko a enen katia obi am to kokko
na papers na ye den
papers no e publish ana ne ya o mutwa ba na 50 billion or the back front page we 50 billion na woman can remfa ho wo ba bia kire no na story na nka ho but you see the front page everybody in 50 billion Ghana cedis front page no wo wia wo bia page 2 a story ni ho
paper be ya
paper bi no wo krom ha wo de mamma o mtoto kokko kwan ho a so mo nyin fa nton ko ba paper we de wo ba pam hu nipa ye nto me kokko
Ebisa uofa political career abawie.
And they say nyame na kire obi hyebre. Onu say we ase nyame na kire obi hyebre. Obi kan okuro ma say Haruna Idrusu anya ill-gotten money ye maintaining as a minister. Deputy Trade and Industry Minister ameboa. E okuro ma wo say wanya ill-gotten money, filthy money and all the man him for. Your friend all this statement about one thing, I'm a part of the minister here. Ill-gotten money, filthy money. Or say sika harunanya, sika bonia e binsi da. Corrupt money and no person the two or no montala. Oh, chroma. Now we are. Wamono among 40 minutes na chroma. Wamo say, ubenya sa papers no, o papers no mo publish 50 billion Ghana cedis. I wanna meba no. So 50 billion Ghana cedis na papers ni be publishing no. One office one more accountants wo. Omo na gigi o musika minim say dey omo nya 15 Ghana kura o. Ama omo timi gitum say 50 billion Ghana cedis. Ah ya tete sika o de kwa na dollars ya. Unim and na 50 billion Ghana cedis no. O de kwa to dollars ya. E 10.5 billion dollars.
But so on the tape, no Ghana cedis be any just 50 billion.
And 50 billion, no. What they buy into dollars here? 50 billion. Says I'm report to 50 billion Ghana cedis. Me boy. Sana people see no report to wow so can here. And I maybe say, sa omo report to 50 billion Ghana cedis. Omo 50 billion I can want them there because 10.5 billion dollars. And me no can say. Frikwan nkoma penso besi na me no kase aban bia nsore dakoro em oman Ghana nsore dakoro en rezi 10.5 billion dollars binsi da and wamo say nokore yanyintum dia me as a regional youth organizer ebra ye ko kekos ko ayi sunyane conference no me na me ye organization ni na wo conference no na e kama ba correct because me di nyama guna kwam ama Sunyam Coronation Park yene organizing committee nu eye aduma ye budget ye use 2015 August e wo Sunyane the same budget ena na no ye be ko Cape Coast conference no ena omo frɛ me say na no budget na mu use no 2015 no mo mfa saa budget no mfa constituency executives no emra Cape Coast am ka say eh na same way dia me see ne say nko ka kire polling station and a constituency executive almost you are under instruction obey so obey o asem ga enti no answer me free constituency chairman na me say chairman budget na o de bre me for conference na anu na o de constituency for no buy no ye use sa e buru so a mo be ka Cape Coast enti ye kwa Cape Coast no budget ye use no na no 2015 and ye use no 2017 and to amount who can say 50 billion Ghana say no kure no are they telling us say 2015 ana MPP ye ma abamu ne ye boaboa ho no ne ye 50 billion Ghana cedis equivalent to $10.5 dollars ya man we ya say say so to obi say na no budget ye use the yesu nyame no the same budget and ye use
into the new me tape ne so no ye mongu ujiri say wo fa go through process na ne ho be yeso
who alleges must prove beyond reasonable doubt and he who seek equity must do equity me no ka say ono se tape no I adopted and to ono kwa o say me bisa kosa me disciplinary committee have appeared before the disciplinary committee meaning the procedure no the complainant. Now, in this case, party na be complainant. The MPP versus everybody, and I'm a boy. Fine. Me na me who na see and refer case to the disciplinary committee. Whether the general secretary na beko the disciplinary committee or the national chairman about appear the disciplinary committee, because there must be a complainant And the disciplinary committee members cannot be a judge in their own case. Yes, it's a legal principle.
The
disciplinary committee members, and this will be some disciplinary committee members and Obriboy. And now who is the complainant? If MPP there, Nipana or Kono, whether the national chairman never called disciplinary committee, as it's ultimate prove beyond reasonable doubt to the disciplinary committee, he said, Tepuno and your doctor, Namum, ne papa ni. And I know people and so better man, or also as I say, ultimate convince disciplinary committee, he said, men so media American say, then the disciplinary committee
will take a decision.
Take a decision.